This started off as a fluid pour. As you can see, I went a totally different direction. Hi everybody, my name is Soraya. So yes, I had a totally different idea when I started painting, and sometimes that happens, but I'm really loving the results. I love the colors and it's very abstract with this dramatic kind of sky. Keep watching to see how I created this. So here I'm showing you the size of the canvas, which is a 24 by 36, the colors, and when I start to pour. And you can see that I had an idea that didn't quite work. It happens. So I decided to put down some colors, go abstract, and just see where it would lead me. As soon as I put a horizontal line, I saw something, so I kept working on that idea. I wanted everything to be very loose and abstract, so I kept working with that in mind. I decided that some of the sky would be nice to look a little bit more realistic, and some would look really cool if it was more abstract, and so that's what I did here. I sing next. If they could see me now, that little gang of mine, I'm eating fancy chow and drinking fancy wine. I'd like those stumble bumps to see for a fact, the kind of top draw first rate chums I attract. Wanna set up, holy cow, they'd never believe it if my friends could see me now. I love it when the brush is already dirty with another color and you pick up white and it creates this beautiful two-tone look to it. It is a really good trick. So as you can see, I've already used my palette knife, a brush, and here I'm using my sponge to work on the sky. I love it when you add a dark tone and then add white to it. It creates beautiful clouds. This is by far one of the most colorful paintings I've done recently, and I love it. This is another really good trick. If you darken up the corners, the attention goes more towards the middle of the painting. It's focusing in on the main part of the painting and not outside of it. You don't know that you need these highlights until they're put down on the canvas. They make such a big difference. It just makes it pop. You see that? If you'd like, click on the link you see now. You could see another painting that I created using only a sponge, and that's a sunset too. I wasn't too happy with this part of the painting, and you'll see that it keeps changing, and I work on it quite a bit, but I just love the way it turned out. Whenever I am having trouble like this, where I'm not satisfied, what I do is I stand back and I analyze the painting and I look at it and try to figure out what is wrong, and then I work on it from there. This azo yellow is a transparent color, and it is fabulous because you can apply it but still see the work that you've done underneath. I didn't want to lose all that beautiful work I'd done on those clouds, so I love this. Once again, I'm back here at that same section where I'm still not satisfied with it. This is the next day, and I realized what was bothering me, and I'm working on that right now. This again is the same concept as before, where your brush is dirty with a couple of colors and then you add the white, and you see how it pops there. It is amazing. It's that contrast, and I love contrast. I do show you all the colors that I used at the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. A thumbs up on this video would be great too. I am so grateful to all of you for watching. For me, this is the most exciting part of the painting. By layering the colors like I did, it looks like it's glowing, it's coming up from behind, and I love that look. And here we are. I can't believe where I ended up. Definitely not what I had intended, but I am loving this abstract. It is beautiful. Love that glow coming from that sky, cloud. Here's some of the details. It's very kind of rough when you come up close, but it comes together when you're way back. See that? It's beautiful. I love that look. I have up-close images coming up, and click on the link you see now to see more of my artwork. I have named this painting Finale. Up next is the colors that I used. Keep watching. colors that I used in Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep, Pebeo Studio Burnt Sienna, Pebeo Studio Orange Cadmium, Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet, Amsterdam's Grayish Blue, Liquitex Ultramarine Blue, and Amsterdam's Titanium White, and Pebeo Studio Cobalt Blue. Check out my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.